Hello, this is Quiet Car. Welcome to my channel. It's still early spring and there are now two windows I need to take care of. The first one is on the second floor. It's a window of one of the bedrooms on the second floor and it's right up against the roof of the kitchen, so I can actually get on the roof and fix it. So blowing the debris away, you can see that basically rotted all the way through to the insulation layer underneath. Yeah, this is the insulation foam between the sidings and the inside drywall. So this windowsill has an outer piece of wood and this inner piece of wood. For this window, somehow the inner piece wood has rotted, but the outer wood is relatively intact. The foam cured overnight. In the morning I used this serrated edge knife to cut off the top part, the excess foam, and then sanded it a little bit to expose the wood around the foam. The next step is to fill in with the wood filler. Okay, now the wood filler is filled in and covered up. I just painted over the wood filling. Hopefully it's not going to rain later today. The paint has a chance to dry, then the job is finished. This is the second window. It's part of the guest room. So I took off half of the front trim strip of this windowsill, and there's a gap between the brick and the back trim filled with foam. But I'm gonna take off the rest of the front strip also, because you can see that what's happening here is that in this corner, the contact with the brick, that's where water gets in and the wood starts to rot from there. Now there is a seal kind of caulking along the edge which I took off, but no, it's not really enough to prevent water from coming in from the bottom. This is the piece I took out. It's pretty rotted on the bottom. So it's covering this gap between the brick wall and the inside insulation. There's also wood rot right here in this corner as well. So I'm going to put some wood hardener on this and fill this with foam. It's like this I put on this PVC trim board. This is a 5/4 inch thickness trim board, but it's actually an inch thick physically. So it covers up replaces the old outer trim strip, and it's glued to the bricks, you can see, and also to wood with a polyurethane glue. I'm using these two dumbbells to hold down the PVC board, trim board, down to the bricks, just to help with the adhesives underneath. Yeah, so the trim board, PVC trim board, is in place, and the corners, vertical posts that are rotten, I filled with wood filler and painted over the wood filler section, and sealed with this brownish polyurethane seal. It's really strong and it's totally weather resistant, so it doesn't need to be painted over. It needs about 7 days to cure, so I need to let it cure fully and maybe then paint over it for basically cosmetic reasons, but really doesn't need the paint to seal it to make it water resistant. So that's it. That's the job for this window here. Yeah, I got a few more windows to do over there, you can see, but those probably just need repaint, refreshed paint. Okay, today we're working on the third window, and this window is on the second floor facing the yard. Let's see what has it got for us. Okay, the corner is rotted out. I removed the outer trim. This is actually the siding board. You can see, so the gap is open. Insulation is inside. On this side, it's rotted out. The corner also, and the inner trimming board. This section is rotted, but the rest is still okay. So the plan is to cut the outer part of this trim board, right, and then put a PVC board right here to cover the gap. All right, so I fit in the PVC board, replacing the outer strip, and covers up the gap. And now also the big hole here, the rotted wood, it's all dug out and replaced with expanding foam. And all the joints are sealed with polyurethane adhesive. So this is going to take at least a day, 24 hours to cure. And I'm going to sand it down a bit and paint over. And that should be the next step for this window. This is the windowsill. It's now painted over. And this morning, it's very warm. It's going to 90-some degrees. Here's the other window, painted, finished. This one is facing the front yard. And the sun is already way high in the sky. But we do have this tree here to give us some shade. It's a nice morning. Coming up to Memorial Day. It's going to be starting tomorrow, 10 days of continuous rain. So I'm glad that these windows are done. Thanks for watching the videos.